Every year, over 3 million children worldwide suffer injuries at home that could have been prevented. An unsettling truth, isn't it? It highlights the importance of childproofing, a simple yet crucial step to prevent accidents. The kitchen, bathroom, and living room are common areas of danger, but with a little effort, they can be transformed into safe havens for your little ones. Remember, childproofing your home is not an option, it's a necessity. Childproofing your home is a simple and necessary step to keep your little ones safe. Now, we will guide you through the process of childproofing your home. This isn't about wrapping your little ones in cotton wool, but rather about creating a safe environment where they can explore, learn, and grow with minimal risk. The first step to childproofing is to adopt the perspective of a curious child. Get down on your hands and knees and see the world from their level. You'll be amazed at what you find. Loose cords, sharp corners, small objects. These are all potential hazards that can easily be overlooked from an adult's eye level. Once you've identified the potential dangers, it's time to take a room-by-room approach. Let's start with the living room, as it's often the hub of the home where children spend a lot of their time. Firstly, secure your television and any heavy furniture that could tip over. Use furniture straps or brackets to anchor them to the wall. It's also wise to cushion sharp corners of tables and cabinets with corner protectors. Next, take a look at your windows. Are the cords from your blinds or curtains within reach? If so, consider replacing them with cordless options, or use safety tassels and inner cord stops to keep the cords out of reach. Don't forget about the fireplace if you have one. A sturdy, heat-resistant gate can keep curious hands at bay. Lastly, electrical outlets. These are often at the perfect height for little explorers. Outlet plug covers are a simple and effective solution to keep those tiny fingers safe. Remember, childproofing is not a one-time event. As your child grows and develops, so will their abilities and curiosities. Regularly reassess your home and make adjustments as necessary. The living room is just the beginning. Every room in your home holds potential dangers. But don't worry, we're here to guide you every step of the way. After all, the goal isn't to create a fortress, but a home where your child can safely explore their world. The kitchen, a hub of potential hazards, requires special attention when childproofing. The hustle and bustle of this space, with its pots and pans, hot surfaces, sharp utensils, and cleaning supplies, can easily become a playground for curious little ones. But don't fret. With a few simple steps, you can transform this danger zone into a safer space for your child. Let's start with the cabinets. Those low-level cabinets are just the right height for your toddler, aren't they? And they are often filled with things that can be harmful. You can secure these cabinets with childproof locks. These special locks are designed to be easily opened by adults, but provide a challenge for little hands. Next, there's the issue of cleaning supplies. These are typically stored under the sink, well within the reach of your child. To tackle this, consider moving them to a higher place that's out of your child's reach. If that's not possible, secure the cabinet with a childproof lock. Remember, it's not just about the chemicals. Even dish soap can be harmful if ingested. Now let's look at your appliances. The oven door can get hot while cooking and is often at the perfect height for a toddler to touch. To prevent burns, consider installing an oven lock or using stove guards. These devices prevent the door from being opened and guard against accidental touches. Your refrigerator, too, can be a source of danger. Imagine your little one getting their hands on raw meat or eggs. So consider using appliance straps or locks to keep the fridge door secure. Lastly, let's not forget the small appliances. Toasters, kettles, and other such items should be safely tucked away when not in use, and cords should be kept out of reach to prevent your child from pulling them down. With these steps, your kitchen becomes a safer place for your child. It's all about being proactive and taking the time to view your kitchen from their perspective. And remember, childproofing is not a one-time task. It's a continuous process that adapts as your child grows and explores. The bathroom, often overlooked, is another area that needs childproofing. The bathroom can be a wonderland for a curious child, but it can also be a place of potential hazards. Let's dive into some critical steps to make this space safer for your little ones. First off, toilets. It might sound strange, but toilets can pose a significant risk to toddlers who are fascinated by water. A child can easily topple into the toilet and get stuck. To prevent this, consider installing a toilet lock. These devices are easy to fit and will keep the lid securely closed when not in use. Next, let's talk about water temperature. Scalding can happen in a blink of an eye, and it's something we want to avoid at all costs. The best way to do this is by adjusting your water heater temperature. Set it to a maximum of 120 degrees Fahrenheit. This will ensure the water is warm enough for comfort, but not hot enough to cause burns. The bathtub is another place where we need to focus our attention. A non-slip bath mat is a must-have. It sticks to the bottom of the tub, providing a safe, slip-free surface for your child to sit or stand. Now, on to storage. We all know that medications and cleaning products must be kept out of reach of children. But remember, out of reach doesn't just mean high shelves. Use locks or childproof latches on cupboards and drawers. If you keep medications in the bathroom, consider getting a locked box to store them in. Lastly, don't forget to secure the bathroom door. A simple hook and eye latch installed high up on the door will keep your child from wandering into the bathroom unsupervised. As the saying goes, prevention is better than cure. By taking these steps, you're not just making the bathroom safer, you're creating a safer environment for your child to explore and grow. A child-proof bathroom is a key step towards a safer home. The bedroom, a place of rest, can also pose risks if not properly child-proofed. A child's curiosity knows no bounds, and the bedroom is a treasure trove of potential hazards. But not to worry, with a few simple steps, we can turn the bedroom into a safe haven for your little ones. Begin by securing furniture. Children are natural climbers, and a toppled bookcase or dresser can lead to serious injury. Secure all furniture to the wall using brackets or wall straps. Don't forget about the television. If it's not mounted on the wall, it should be anchored to the furniture it sits on. Next, be vigilant about removing small objects. Toys or decorations with tiny parts can be a choking hazard. Make it a habit to regularly check the floor and within your child's reach for any small items that may have been overlooked. Now, let's talk about the crib or the bed. When it comes to cribs, ensure the slats are no more than 2 3/8 inches apart to prevent your baby from getting their head stuck. If you're using a secondhand crib, check that it meets current safety standards. As they grow and transition to a bed, consider using safety rails to prevent accidental falls. Don't forget about the windows. Install window guards or stops to prevent them from opening more than 4 inches. This ensures your child cannot accidentally fall out. Also, keep cords for blinds or curtains out of reach to avoid any strangulation risks. And lastly, let's not forget about the door. A simple doorknob cover can prevent little ones from wandering out of the room unattended. Each of these steps helps to create a safer environment for your child, allowing them to explore and grow without unnecessary risks. Remember, childproofing is an ongoing process, as what might be safe for a toddler might not be for a curious crawler or an adventurous preschooler. A safe bedroom is crucial for your child's well-being. It's about peace of mind for you, and a secure, risk-free space for them to dream big and sleep tight. Remember, safety starts at home. Don't forget to subscribe to Parenting Genie TV for more essential tips and insights. Want more resources and expert guidance? Visit us at parentinggenie.com.au. Stay safe with your little ones and happy parenting.